We're going back to Disney World. So the last time I was at Disney was when I was doing the Disney College program back in January, and now it is October, so it's been a long time since I went back. And I've been wanting to get back there so much, but I've been doing an internship, so I haven't had the time. But now that it's coming to an end, my mom and I are actually going to go for 4 days, so I'm so excited to go back to Disney World and see some of my friends that did stay and just go back to my second home. I'm just so excited. I haven't been back in so long. It is currently Friday, September 30th. Hocus Pocus 2 comes out today, so I'm going to watch that. But, or is it like that? So it's Friday, September 30th, and we leave next Thursday night, and then we'll be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, come back on Monday night. So we'll have all of Monday to do things as well. Friday, we are going to Epcot. I'm really, really excited for that because I really want to ride Cosmic Rewind and maybe visit one of my friends who works in Germany. And then Saturday, we're going to Magic Kingdom, which I'm so excited about. Magic Kingdom is my favorite place this time of year, especially with all of their fall decorations. So very excited to see that. And then on Sunday, we're going to Hollywood Studios. And the thing I'm most excited about for that is going back to the character meet and greets. Because when I was on my Disney College program, they did not have those because of COVID. And they brought them back literally like 2 weeks after I got done with my program, which I was so sad about because I didn't get to meet any characters while I was there. So that is going to be my number one priority, seeing Sorcerer Mickey at Hollywood Studios. I'm so excited. So our schedule is Epcot Friday, Magic Kingdom Saturday, Hollywood Studios Sunday, Disney Springs on Monday. So it's going to be a really, really fast, quick trip, but I'm so excited. But I need to plan my outfits. And surprisingly enough, I've bought more Disney stuff since I got out of the DCP than when I was there. I think I've just missed it so much that I bought a bunch of stuff, so I'm really excited to wear some things. I'm not sure what I'm going to wear yet. I know on my Magic Kingdom Day I want to wear something fall, and I have some fall ears that I want to wear. So gonna figure that outfit out, something fall, so I get some cute pictures with the Mickey pumpkins and everything. And then for Hollywood Studios Day, because I want to get a picture with Sorcerer Mickey, I do have a pair of Sorcerer Mickey ears, so I'm gonna plan an outfit around that so I can match with him and get a cute picture. And just maybe, I don't know, I do want to do a Sorcerer Mickey outfit. I think that'd be really cute, but I also think it'd be really cute to do a Star Wars themed outfit. I've had a Grogu outfit theme that I'm thinking of doing, so maybe I'll bring it with me and just change halfway through the day. So you don't go to Disney very often, so might as well. I mean, it's probably gonna be small. I can just put it in a backpack. But Epcot, I just don't know what I want to do. I was thinking of doing some kind of Disney bound as somebody from Guardians of the Galaxy, since we want to ride Cosmic Rewind, but I have no idea how to Disney bound as any of those characters. Maybe I could do like a brown outfit for Groot. I don't know. That's the one that I'm really tripping up on because I don't know what I'm going to do for that one. Magic Kingdom, I already have something in mind. Sorcerer Mickey / Star Wars outfit, maybe. I might make a pair of ears. That's also a possibility. I kind of want a DIY one outfit, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. Alright, hello. Today we are starting the first steps of prepping for my mom and I's Disney World trip, and this time we are going to attempt to make our own ears. So today we're going to go to Joann's, get some fabric, get the materials that we need, and then start making them. Let's go. So my mom's basically a seamstress, and since we were little, she'd make us little dresses and everything, and now that my sister is a professional ballerina, she makes tutus and outfits professionally. So luckily we have all this stuff and all this materials. She's got tons of sewing machines, so she's gonna help me make everything, but I can show you guys what we got. First she got, I'm not even really sure what this is, she can probably explain it, but it's supposed to be a circle cutter so we can cut out the ear parts perfectly, I guess. So We got that. We got this felt backing for the bow to make sure that it is sturdy and it doesn't like flop around. So we got that, and the fabrics that we got are my favorite part. So for the Grogu one, we got these two fabrics, which I think are so cute and they match perfectly. This one's kind of going to be the burlappy fabric that's going to be the ear parts and the part of the headband. And then this green part I think is going to be the bow. I haven't decided yet. It's a really, really soft material, and that's what we're going to use this for to make it nice and sturdy. So that's going to be the Grogu one. Also got some extra needles and these ribbons to go on the actual headband part so that it doesn't move around in your head, it kind of sticks. Luckily my mom knows how to do all of this because I have no idea what I'm doing, and she's going to be helping me the entire way through this process. Thank you, Mama Doherty. These ones turned out like crap, so we're starting over. Who can say where the road goes? I think I'm just gonna leave these as is. I think they're cute. I think once I have an outfit put together, it'll be perfect. What do you think? I think if I'm Disney bounding as Grogu, the brown is cuter, but I'm just worried if it looks like I'm not wearing a top because it's so close to my skin color. Hello! You say hello? This one's really cute. I love how it's like holographic kind of for the 50th, and it's got these sparkly straps. Got this on Mercari. It's used. I just happened to find it and it was pretty cheap, so maybe I'll take this one. I don't really have anything that's like Star Wars themed, but this could be really cute to take with me. Maybe. For my Magic Kingdom outfit, I think it's so cute, this little black gingham print. And then I have these ears that actually match it so perfectly. They're so cute, and I love the little details, the little pearls on them. I don't know what shoes I want to wear yet. I'm thinking maybe Converse. Like, I haven't had the chance to wear it, but I think that would be so cute with this outfit. Also, just got this bag on Mercari, and it's like the faux leather Mickey bag. It's so cute, it's all black. The inside is just black and white Mickey print, but I love this because you can wear it with literally anything and everything. I think it's perfect for fall. So I also have this little bag, which is the Disney X Coach collection bag. And I definitely want to take it. I just recently got it like 2 weeks ago. I don't know what I want to use it for yet. Maybe my Epcot day, because I don't know what I'm going to wear that day. Or maybe for our Disney Springs day. I'm not sure. I'm definitely taking it either way. I want to use it because I haven't got to use it yet. But when this collection came out, I think I was still at Disney when I was on my DCP. But I was obsessed. The ears, everything. But it was just kind of pricey and I just didn't want to spend that much. I was broke and I was doing a Disney college program, so I wasn't going to buy those. And ever since, they've been completely sold out everywhere. Couldn't find them. My mom and I have looked everywhere for them. And a couple weeks ago, we were in Dillard's. And just weirdly, as we were walking in, I was talking about these bags and how I couldn't find them anywhere. And it was sad they're all gone. They're probably not going to come back. And as we are walking through Dillard's, we look over into the bag section. And this is just sitting there in the Coach section. This one and another one, the square-shaped one, just one of each. And she and I beeline straight over to the bags. And we were looking at them, we were looking at the prices, and I think this one's like originally like $450 or $500, something like that. And I was not gonna pay for that. I just wanted to go look at it, and it was just so cute. And the sales lady comes over and she's like, oh my gosh, those bags are so cute, like you can't find them anywhere. And we were like, yeah, we've been looking for them, couldn't find them. And she goes, well, they're on sale today. I was like, you're kidding. But I was like, probably like 10% or something. They were 50% off this bag. I have no idea why Dillard's is doing that because this bag is sold out everywhere. Like, why is it on sale? and they only had this one in the one. So I got this one for myself. I bought this for myself as like a gift that I didn't need, but I bought it for myself. And my mom bought herself the little square one. So maybe we'll both bring these for our Disney Springs day. I'm gonna pack for my off day, but we're not at the parks, but this is coming with me for sure. All right, I have officially started packing everything, and I am taking way too much stuff with me. Trying to pack my Loungeflies in this massive suitcase just so everything doesn't get squished. I don't want my bags get ruined. I've already packed all my toiletries, all my makeup, any jewelry that I have. Tomorrow my mom and I are going to get our nails done, and then we're off to Disney World. Pro tip, if you don't already know, these Stony Clover large bags, which are beautiful, this is their Disney collection, but they are the perfect bag for storing your ears for traveling, which is so nice because you don't want these to get squished in your in your suitcase. They literally probably fit maybe 6 or 7 pairs of ears, I would say. It's so nice. Sometimes I use it for my toiletries when I'm not going to Disney on just a regular trip, and it's perfect. But for this type of trip, definitely gonna put my ears in here because it just fits so perfectly, and I know they're gonna be safe when I check my bag on the plane. All right, I am officially all packed and ready to go for our Disney World trip. I'm so excited I was able to fit everything in there, no problem. I wanted to make sure that I had some extra room because I know I'm gonna buy some stuff while I'm there, so I need that extra room to pack some extra things. Got everything packed, all my outfits, was able to get my Loungeflies in there without getting them smushed around. My mom and I went and got our nails done actually today, and I just got these. They're so cute. I wanted to do something fall and Halloween-y, so I actually showed her a picture of these black and orange French tips, and then I just asked her if she could do little Mickeys all over them, and she was really great with the nail designs. Her name's Jade at Top Coat Nail Bar in Lenexa. So thank you, Jade, for doing those for me. They came out so cute. I think they'll be perfect for going and celebrating the fall time at Magic Kingdom and all the other parks. I just love them so much. But if you want to see how my mom and I's trip to Disneyland goes and see all the new rides and things happening right now, please stay tuned. I'll have a next video out hopefully within the next coming weeks. But thank you for watching.